I am on day 5 of the Slim Fast diet, and I've been adhering to the diet pretty well. Been doing about 1,200 calories a day, and I'm about to have my breakfast shake. And I gotta admit, my weight is not changing yet. I think I went down 1 pound, seems to stay down. I've been weighing myself in the morning and at night. It's always higher at night, of course. And we'll see what happens. I know this extra 5 to 8 pounds didn't go on fast, so it's not going to come off fast either. So I'm going to stick with this. How are you doing with the diet? Are you sticking to it? I noticed yesterday, the 4th day in, I was darn hungry. 4 o'clock in the afternoon, I had already done my 2 shakes. I had had my snacks. I was starving to the point where I was not being, I got that fuzzy head feeling that I didn't like. So I might add in some carrots and celery sticks, because there's no you can eat as much as you want of those things. There's no calories in that kind of food, and that may be enough to keep me satiated before dinner. So sometimes you have to tweak the diet to make it work for you. And I'm also somebody who exercises at least a half hour a day. So I may need a few more calories than most people. I love this blender. Okay. The reason I love that blender is because this, you can drink right out of this thing. And there's not like 100 things that you have to clean. So you just drip that off of there, and then I rinse it with water when I'm done. But there's my Slim Fast shake. I'm sticking with the chocolate, but I'm going to go shopping later, and I'm going to buy the vanilla and a few of the snacks, because I'll let you know what I think about the snacks. So far, I've been using my own snacks: bananas, apples, hard-boiled eggs, because you try and get a little bit of sugar and a little bit of fat in those snacks, and protein. That's important. So if I have a piece of like a chicken drumstick, that's about 120 calories, so that's another good snack. All right, cheers. This recipe is based on SlimFast.com's grilled salmon with spicy tropical salsa, and it came out great. It was delicious. The recipe calls for oranges, that's them. We added mango that Jeff helped me cut up, just a little bit of mango. Tomatoes, green onions, and cilantro. There goes the salmon into the oven. We broiled and baked the salmon, and it turned out great. The cilantro adds so much flavor and color to any meal. Throw it in whenever you can. There goes a little more than a 1/4 cup. You just mix that up, and that salsa is awesome for any side dish or even an appetizer for a party. The salmon was delicious. I got the salmon at Aldi. Jeff said it was the best salmon ever. We broiled it for 5 minutes and then baked it at 350 for another 10 minutes. And for us, that really worked. The salsa on top was amazing. I'm going to have this as one of my snacks tomorrow. That's about 100 something calories. It was a delicious meal. It was easy to make. It was colorful. And this salsa was to die for. I can't wait to eat this for my snack tomorrow.